Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to compress PDF file size in mobile. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to easily reduce PDF file size without losing PDF quality. And right now I'm in my iPhone. You can follow these same steps on your Android also. So as you can see, here's a PDF file, and currently this PDF file size is 10.6 megabyte. Now let's compress this PDF file size. Go ahead and open a browser on your mobile. You can use any browser. In your browser, you have to search for I love PDF and search for it. And then you have to open this website ilovepdf.com. Once you're here, just tap on compress PDF and tap on select files. And now you have to select the PDF from your files app, which one you want to compress, and tap on open. And as you can see, the PDF has been successfully uploaded in this website. Now just tap on compress PDF. It may take some time to compress the PDF. Once done, as you can see, my PDF has been successfully compressed and PDF is ready to download. Now just tap on the share button and tap on save to files and select a folder where you want to save the PDF. Just tap on save. Once done, go to your files app, go to the folder where you just saved the PDF, and as you can see, my PDF has been successfully compressed. So current PDF size is only 4.5 megabyte, and previous PDF file size was 10.6 megabyte. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.